So I have a pre-order from one of our subscribers, and we have here Thomas, I think from Slippy Sodor Thomas, and it's in really bad shape. So we are going to begin and customize this model. So I'm gonna speed up the video. I don't want you to get a boring video today. I've done this before, but anyways, it's a request from a subscriber. He wanted to buy this model. So the for those new to the channel, we're using a regular normal Thomas, Tomy or Hitoi company Thomas. The old models, you know, they are really old, but they are good. So anyways, we disassembled the entire model. And here, be very careful, don't hurt yourself. Ask your parents, if you're a little one, to do this process for you. And the simple thing is which you're gonna paint over Thomas in silver, the chassis in white, and the face in silver color. So let's remove this smoke box and the coil, right, like this. Some models can off easily, others don't, and the stickers right here, they are not easy to peel off. So I recommend you to soak this in water, put it in the water, let it rest for 10 minutes, and then it will come off really easily. So let's remove the face from Thomas smoke box so we can paint these easily. And remove all the parts. Now as you can see, this, it's a broken gear right here in the axle. See that gap? It's broken. So that's the one making the noise, clicking noise. But anyways, so here we have ready to paint our model. It's clean. We cover with masking tape and the parts or the areas we don't need to paint. And look at the chassis, ready to paint. Just use some masking tape. Okay, so let's get ready. And now we have our model ready, already painted. As you can see, the chassis got a white footplate. Really nice. So I always recommend you to use masking tape, so you will get a really nice detail paint. I mean, you got a nice footplate. Look at that. Awesome. Now these little wheels, I don't know what you call this wheel, but the middle wheels, I just put some masking tape right in the center like that, and look, it looks a clean job. Not perfect, but it's okay. Now the roof right here, you can see it's covered, protected, and still see a little marks over the years it's being used. So we're gonna paint that later. Here's the face. Now I use Sharpie here in the US for some lining and details. Okay, here's what I was talking about. There's some marks, I don't like it, so we're gonna paint the roof black. Now since I am not making a lot of process, I mean not making a lot of these models, I'm just gonna use a little bit of paint with my paintbrush. And as you can see, the process, the eyes, the mouth, the eyebrows, the red marks. Now you see the red eyes and the white tooths. So here is the roof already painted black, satin black. It leaves you a really smooth, not too bad finish, but it's good. So it's really perfect. So anyways, we have silver color on the shell. Now let's put back the coil right there. Excellent. And we are ready to put back our battery contact or battery terminal. I'm using here a rivet, and with a riveting tool, of course, it will be done in no time. Very simple and easy. Look at that. Nice. Amazing. So here's the new gear for the axle, already assembled. And let's put back the rubber rings or tires, whatever you want to call it. Cool. Now these little wheels, I mean these front wheels goes in this little part. Not all the models are the same. I already showed you the process, but remember this is a pre-order for one of our subscribers, and as you can see, this, if you're seeing this video right now, the model being shipped 1 or 2 days ago. If you're watching this video the day of I posted. Anyways, so it's very easy and simple. It might be hard for you, but I recommend you to just keep practicing. It's not really complex. It's really easy. So now let's put the face of this new Timothy on the smoke box right there, and this little screw. Very nice. What do you guys think? Awesome. So now let's put it all together, clean a little bit here and there, and it's excellent. Now I have here my stickers. I always say that stickers, you can find the stickers on the description of the video. Some of my videos just have the link for specific models. But anyway, see, it's pre-cut and ready to use. So I don't want you to spend a lot, you know, buying somewhere or from me. You can try to do this at home. It's very easy, and you have a lot of fun making your new project. So if you're a kid, ask your parent to help you do this process, this work. It's really nice. Once you get the results, it's a pretty amazing model. So you will be like a pro making customs in no time. But anyways, here is our model almost ready and fully assembled. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I know I've done this before, but anyways, this is for one of our subscribers who ordered. I want to say thank you. I do not often record this because I already done this several times and so many of these. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video and you find this tutorial really informative, and it's I hope you like it. Anyways, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and as always, over and out.